Namaste, beautiful souls. This meditation is for stress and anxiety relief. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. And whenever you're ready, let's begin. Start by taking a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, letting your belly expand. And exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension or stress you're holding. Bring your awareness to the ground beneath you. Feel the surface supporting your body, steady and stable. With each breath, imagine drawing stability and calmness from the earth below. Now bring your mind to the present moment. And bring to your mind whatever is causing you stress and anxiety. Don't judge it or try to change it, simply notice it. Ask yourself, how does it feel in your body? Is there any tightness in your chest, shoulders, throat, or jaw? Acknowledge these sensations without trying to fix them. Now take a deep breath in, and as you inhale, imagine breathing in peace and calm. And as you exhale, imagine releasing all the stress and anxiety from your body, letting it float away like a cloud. With each breath, continue to release tension. And with each exhale, feel lighter and more at ease. Visualize a soft, gentle light surrounding you. It's a light of peace, comfort, and warmth. With every inhalation, imagine this light growing stronger, filling your body with relaxation. And with every exhale, let go of more stress until you're surrounded by this peaceful light. Feel the heaviness and worry melting away as the light expands, bringing your calm. Now bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the sensations of your body resting here, supported by the earth. Take a final deep breath in, bringing with it a sense of calm and clarity. Exhale slowly, knowing that you can return to this feeling of peace anytime you need. Gently open your eyes. When you're ready, carrying this calm with you into the rest of your day. Thank you.